Yeah, Pranav. Yeah, Eldos, Chandana.
Not good.
So you are seeing that I am typing all the commands and it is giving me the output, free memory. So with the respective command you can see that all, it is all describing there. So in your document, that's why I didn't want to read it out. So you have opened the document, right? If you open the document, you will be able to see that. Okay. So now you are seeing it 6 commands there for free, disk space, du, all that. Disk usage, du is disk usage. Okay. Of the current directory. Okay. Du hyphen. So this is for the current directory. Now we will see who. Yesterday also we have seen this who. So I have logged in through putty, that is why it is showing me as terminal session 1. Okay. If I log in one more, it will show me like that. Okay. Who hyphen h. Okay. Seed 0 tty 2 done. So it is giving me human readable. Okay. Header distinction. Who B. Okay. System boot time. When was it got booted? 416. So who am I? You see my login time. 4:31 I logged in the Fedora. Now user activity. If I type W, it will show me what every user is doing it. User activity. W, yes. Give me short description. You don't throw all the details, just give me what they are doing. W, Ubaid, okay. What this guy is doing. If you have multiple users, you just type the username, it will be showing you who and all using what type of command, okay, what they are using, okay. WH. Header, it got removed, this header, right, it removed header. So all you can see now last. Okay. Who has logged in last? Reboot, logout, system boot, reboot. I want last 5. I don't want all that. Okay. Show only last 5 login entries. Still running, still logged in. Okay. Let's say you want 10 login, last 10. Okay. You see 10. On March 29th I started this. Now I am starting after 1 week. Now you want to see who have made attempts to log in. So if you are denied, you type sudo command. Okay. Your privilege, you will be elevated with the privilege. Okay. So today we had an attempt, okay, of logging in. So it will show you all the login history. Now you have D message, kernel messages. Any hardware problem, you will see it here. So why I am not permitted? Because I am not a sudo user. If I type sudo, my user privileges will be elevated. Okay. You see any hardware errors here, you can see it here. So this is not at all readable. I will tell. Okay, sudo -t. Okay, this is human readable. Okay. Now you want to see only error message. Okay. Okay. Hyphen pipe space err. We'll see how to see all these error commands all. Okay. Message. Hyphen w. Okay. So this will be your L3 level of work. You are not supposed to understand this. Now this one also you have seen it. Okay. PS kill, P kill. Let's say you want to H top. I will type H top. Okay. I need to install this command. Okay. Now I will run htop. You see now it is showing me in completely graphical presentation. So if I type top, it will be showing me in black and white. Okay. Now I will escape, or if I type F10 it will quit. Okay. Now I will type top. Okay. That's the difference between top and htop. It will be colorful and very interactive. Okay. So you can see all users also. I have given you all 7 commands. uh, so whatever I feel important, I will be giving you more commands. Okay. So you see it here. You have 6 here for edge top. Okay. So all are 6 here. Okay. If you look here, these are also 6. Okay. If you go up, you have 6. Okay. Now you have 5 only here. Okay. You have 5. Then if you go up, it will be 4. You see. Then if you go up, I have made 3 there. 4. Starting with 4. Okay. Permissions. This one we have covered. Okay. Now uname also we covered. Okay. Then here it has 6. Now if you go, it will become 7 next. Okay. So this is nice. You are changing the priority. Okay. Very nice. You are changing the priority for all processes. So you can do plus or minus all that. Okay. So system control. So for this you need sudo command. Okay. I will type. Okay. Sudo stop Bluetooth system control. Here start. I type Bluetooth. It got started. Okay. Status. These are all Red Hat commands. Okay. So you can go ahead with that. All commands. Okay. If some command will work, some command will not work. Whatever is not working, you just mark it. We'll see that one. Okay. Now you have network connectivity. Okay. Networking and connectivity. I have put almost 10 there. 4, 4, 8. Okay. You see ping.google.com. Okay. Home. It is pinging now. Okay. Ping. This it will work only in Linux, not in Windows. You should be in any Linux box. Then only it will work. So this is all how you can do the ping command. Okay. So you see there there is no payload here. Okay. Because that will be dangerous. That's why we have I have not kept that payload command here. Curl is like you will be connecting to internet. Okay. Curl http if config dot okay. So it has returned my public IP address here. This is my public IP address. Okay. So if you want to check on the internet whether you are able to download it or not, you will be using this command. Okay. So this one is your HTTPS header. Okay. So you have just typed www.google.com. So Google's header message, HTTPS header. So one day you will not understand all that commands. It will take some time. Okay, if you are not able to get it, or if you are not following up also, don't worry. You will get a time. Okay, once you practice, you will get it. wget is your network downloader. So you want to download something, you will use wget. Then you will download that. Then you have SSH. If you want, I will connect ifconfig. Okay. From here I will connect SSH. Okay. SSH 10.232.241.67. Okay. So what I am using, I will be using Arvind. Okay. Alright. So now permit root login. Okay. Terminating. So this guy doesn't have permissions to remotely log in. So these are all your commands. Okay. This will see those things later. First you get used to commands, then we'll see all these commands. Okay. That's why I have kept multiple commands here. Okay. Once you go here, after that you will see other commands also. Now you see network IP address show, IP address show. It will show you the IP address details. So I have one loopback. This is up, connection is up. I have two Ethernet. Okay, and this is my IP address, and this is up, status is up, and this one is up. Okay, and this is NAT address. Okay. IP route show. It will show me how the routing table is, how it is going. So this I will explain you through graphical, then you will understand that. IP NIEH. It will show all the arc table. Okay. So how it is going. Okay. Outside. You see all the MAC address. IP -C address. IP yes link. Okay. It is showing all the input output link up, whether packets are dropped, missed, how many I have received, how many I have dropped, all that it is showing. Okay. So this if you show, you will get confused now. I don't want to show this one. Okay. SS I will put. You see now. Okay. Netstat, this one I have mentioned earlier. Okay. Netstat -AU. Okay. So all this UDP port. Now TCP port. So this you are already aware, I think. Yeah, Chandana? Yeah, Pranav? You are aware of this netstat
Right, sir.
AON? Huh? This I have explained in Windows, I think. For you or for Linux, for ethical hacking I explained. So you just let me know whether I have done this one or not.
So under ethical hacking, this you haven't taught us, I guess, sir.
Netstat AON in Windows.
In ethical hacking, I don't think so. This is being taught.
Okay, I will cover that one. No problem. So this is how it will be. Okay. Now you are going through tracer, how you are reaching to Google. Okay. Let's say in Iran they cut the cables. Okay. So it will be going through hops. Hops means jumping from here to one. Okay, this is my IP address and this is my firewall, and then it is going out. Then I have two firewalls. Then I am going through Airtel broadband. Okay. Now through Airtel broadband this is going to Mumbai. Now it is blocked here. Now they don't want to show. Now it reached to Google. Okay. Now I want to trace route Microsoft or trace route google.co.in. Okay. It will go, see .co.in, it is going through IPv6 addresses. Okay. This is how it is going to Google. So we'll see how this networking I will show you. Okay. Then only you will get it. Okay. Now here in text processing and searching, you see, okay, I have gone nuts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every command I have made it to 10. Okay. So that you can understand the concept of text processing, how you want to search it in Linux. These are all your commands. Okay. Sorting your files, word count, difference. You will show the difference line by line. Okay. So all these are your commands. Okay. This I have made only 3 because I don't want to mess up. That is why I have made it to 3. Okay. So these commands, whenever we cover some topics, then we will be covering up these topics when we are done with restore. Then we will be covering this. Okay. So now you have package management. Okay. Sudo apt-get, it will be for Ubuntu and Debian. Okay. Yum, it will be for RHEL and other. So I will install sudo dnf update. Okay. Then it will upgrade my OS. Okay. So similarly, whatever version you have installed, based on that you need to upgrade your OS. So for Ubuntu you will put apt-get. That is why it was not working for me. So if your version is Ubuntu or Debian, it will work. Okay. So if it is RHEL or any other version, you will be using this Yum, DNF or RPM. Okay. This is for different versions. Okay. So this we will be covering up in our subsequent classes. Okay. So then till then we will halt now to this section now. Okay. So manual is, so whenever you found something you wanted to do you can do, you want to search the manual, okay, you can do the manuals, okay. I am creating one duplicate session, okay. So you want to search for manual pages, okay, man ls, it will show you manual for your ls command, okay. I will type q, it will quit, man date, okay. It will show you related to the date command. So it is all about your manuals. So how you want to see those manuals. Now you have system administration and miscellaneous, okay. So this one we will be covering up most of the topics once we are done with the system administration level. At the disk level, then at the job level, all that. Then only you will be able to understand what these commands are. So here also you will have 13, 3 and 10. You have 13 commands in every section, okay. I will show you this one, okay. History, okay. If I type history, I can see what and all commands I have done from beginning, from day one. Just I will type history, you will get it. So if I want to see the history for 10 commands, history 10, just to show me the last 10 commands, okay. So if I want to run 196, okay, command, I don't want to go all that, what I will do, ampersand 196, ipconfig will run automatically. The last command what I have typed, I will just type this, exclamation, exclamation. If you want to clear your current session, okay, you want to clear all the history that you have done, okay. From here I have done, okay, from 196, okay. I will clear my history of the current session, okay. History -c, okay. Now I will type history, okay. Only one command I have. So you want to specifically delete something, okay, delete entry, you can delete this, or you want to delete specific commands, okay, with respect to history, you can do this, okay. So that is your history, then alias, then unalias. We will see those things in our later chapter. Con tab, then tab, these are for scheduled task, okay, automatically running. This will see that in our next classes we will see, okay. One time job, at will be one time job, con tabs will be scheduled task, it will run automatically for a longer period or specified amount of time. At means one time, just run at one time. So let's say you want to delete something, some files, all files, okay. You will specify at tomorrow, at a scheduled time you delete everything, okay, and you went. Some guy has logged in, it will automatically get deleted and he will be blamed for that. So mount will see that in our classes, okay. Mount, unmount, fdisk also, in disk we will see that, okay. So these are all our commands that we will be looking at based on the topics, okay. So I will stop the recording now.